How to fix iPhone messages not delivering. Let's get started. First up, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart your router and rejoin it. Likewise, what you can do is head back. Check if you have enabled iMessage or not. For that, navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find Messages and then open it. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of iMessage. Then click on the option of Send and Receive. Here you will find your number as well as email address. Make sure you have enabled both that option. Likewise, head back. Now, what you can do is give a fresh restart to your device. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Likewise, ensure the recipient's details are correct. Double check if the recipient is reachable. Their phone might be off or out of service. Resend the message. Tap the red exclamation mark next to the undelivered message. Select Try again to resend it. Likewise, update your iOS. For that, navigate to Settings. Click on General. Click on Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update it to its latest version. Updates often include bug fixes for issues like undelivered messages. Next up, reset network settings. For that, head back. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Likewise, check carrier settings. For SMS and MMS, ensure your carrier settings are updated. For that, head back, navigate to the option of About. If a carrier update is available, you will be prompted. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues causing iPhone messages not to deliver. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.